This is why you need to experience White Sunday, a celebration that warms the heart. In the heart of American Samoa, White Sunday is a day like no other. Dressed in pure white, children light up the community with their skits, songs, and Bible verses. It's a beautiful blend of faith and tradition where every child gets their moment to shine. Imagine the church filled with laughter, songs of praise, and heartfelt prayers. Traditional fa'afatai, or thanks, are expressed with deep reverence, and it's a time for the community to come together in unity and love. White Sunday is more than just a celebration. It's a testament to the importance of family, faith, and cultural heritage in American Samoa. Here, children are honored, and the spirit of togetherness is felt deeply. Experience the warmth, the joy, and the heart of American Samoa with White Sunday.